Black holes are some of the most mysterious and intriguing objects in the universe. The idea that they could allow us to travel through time, either into the past or the future, has been a popular topic in both scientific discussions and science fiction for decades. But can black holes truly provide a gateway to time travel? To understand this possibility, we must explore how black holes work and how they might be related to the strange concept of time travel. Gravitational time dilation and the future first. Let's focus on the idea of traveling into the future. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, gravity affects time. The stronger the gravitational field, the slower time flows. This effect is known as gravitational time dilation. Black holes, with their incredibly strong gravitational pull, provide the most extreme example of this phenomenon. Near the event horizon of a black hole, time would pass incredibly slowly for an observer compared to someone far away from the black hole. Imagine an astronaut orbiting near a black hole for what feels like just a few hours. If they returned to Earth, they would find that many years or even centuries had passed. This is because time is dilated, slowed down, as they get closer to the event horizon. This idea of time dilation has already been demonstrated in smaller, more manageable situations on Earth. Scientists have used atomic clocks at different altitudes to measure time, and it's been proven that clocks at higher altitudes tick faster than those at sea level. Therefore, the idea of using black holes for future time travel is grounded in well-established scientific theory. Traveling to the past, wormholes and closed time-like curves. Now let's explore the more complicated idea of traveling to the past. Some physicists have proposed that black holes might be connected to wormholes, hypothetical tunnels that could act as shortcuts through space-time. A wormhole could, in theory, connect two different points in time, just as it could connect 2 points in space. If stable wormholes exist, they might allow time travel into the past. However, the idea of using black holes as a time machine to the past faces significant challenges. First, we must consider the extreme environment inside a black hole. As you approach a black hole's event horizon, the gravitational pull becomes so intense that it would stretch and compress anything that crosses it, in a process known as spaghettification. Anything that crosses the event horizon would be torn apart before it could travel through a wormhole. Some theories suggest that the Kashi horizon of a rotating black hole could offer a way to travel back in time. However, this is still speculative, and no one has yet observed such behavior. The grandfather paradox and time travel paradoxes. Even if time travel to the past were possible, it would lead to paradoxes, logical contradictions that challenge the very idea of time travel. One of the most famous of these is the grandfather paradox. Imagine traveling back in time and preventing your grandparents from meeting. If you succeeded, your parents would never have been born, and you wouldn't have existed to travel back in time in the first place. This creates a logical loop that appears impossible to resolve. Moving toward the future, the reality of time travel. While traveling to the past remains uncertain and speculative, traveling into the future via black holes is supported by sound physics. As mentioned earlier, gravitational time dilation near a black hole could allow someone to experience time more slowly than people far away. This means that black holes could, in a way, allow someone to travel into the future without the need for complex technology. In fact, some scientists have even proposed that we might one day harness the power of black holes for practical time dilation. By constructing artificial black holes or using naturally occurring supermassive black holes, future civilizations might be able to take advantage of these phenomena to achieve time travel into the future. However, this technology is far beyond our current capabilities, and it may remain speculative for the foreseeable future. Conclusion: the mysteries of time travel. In conclusion, while black holes provide a fascinating window into the possibility of time travel, the reality is much more complicated. Traveling into the future using black holes is theoretically possible due to the phenomenon of gravitational time dilation. But traveling to the past is fraught with paradoxes and uncertainties. The idea of using black holes for time travel remains a topic of active research, but for now it remains a fascinating theoretical concept. Perhaps one day, as our understanding of the universe deepens, we may unlock the secrets of black holes and space-time, allowing us to travel through time. Until then, black holes will continue to be one of the most mysterious and intriguing objects in the universe, holding the potential for future discoveries that could change our understanding of time and space forever.